question of the day is, what does it mean if a girl asks for your phone number? What's up, guys? It's your girl Catherine, now back with another video. Woo! Okay, let's get back to the life. What's up, guys? It's your girl Catherine, now back with another video. As y'all see at the title below, Hooters Mukbang. I haven't had Hooters in a minute, y'all. And as y'all see at the title, look at this. It's the shrimp for me. And it's the wings for me. And it's the curly fries for me. Like, now listen to this, y'all. Tater tots. Tater tots. Hey. Y'all need to cut it out. Y'all, please, if y'all hear a loud noise barking, it's because of my dogs. It's the dogs for me. Hey! Chill out! Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My dogs, they just keep getting... What'd I just say? Hush! Y'all, I'm so sorry, but look how good this shrimp look. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all, let me tell you something. Look at her. Look at her. So, tell me why. Okay. This video is going to be, even though it's a mukbang, I'm going to be talking. I'm going to be talking about what does it mean if a girl asks you for your phone number. Do that mean, do that girl like you? Be quiet, I'm trying to eat. That's why y'all need to go in the room. Because I don't need y'all doing all that doggone barking. The question of the day is, what does it mean if a girl asks for your phone number? Comment down below. Does it mean she likes you, or does it mean she want to get to know you? You know what I'm saying? Well, it can mean a lot of things. Maybe she do want to get to know you. And that's why she asked for your number, right? Is it okay to date a girl knowing that she already has somebody? Comment down below if you ever been in a situation where you knew you liked the girl, but you already know, or you can tell that she, or you can tell that the girl got somebody. Comment down below if you a girl and you like a girl right now, but you're not really trying to get serious with that person, because you know that that person already got somebody, and you don't feel like you don't want to become in the middle of that person's relationship, because it could be drama, it could be like a lot of misleading. You see what I'm saying? It could be a lot of judgment. I don't know. Comment down below of what y'all ideas or what y'all opinions on the situation. Because, you know, me personally, I do like women. I do think women are very attractive. But I don't feel like if a person do have somebody, I don't feel like I should get serious with that person, knowing that that person already got somebody, knowing that that person already in a relationship. You see what I'm saying? Because feelings can get involved. People can get hurt in the process. Me, I feel like this. It's best to get to know a person and then become friends with that person after you already got to know them a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? Even if you feel like it's a connection between you and that girl, you know, you should like be honest with that person. Like, hey, I do like you, but I don't know if you feel the same way. Even if you do feel the same way, I don't want to feel like I'm a third wheel. See what I'm saying? But me, I'm so easy to please. Like, but I'm so shy at the same time because if a girl flirts with me and tell me that she like me, I get very smiley. I start blushing so much. And like, even if I start hanging out with that person so much, I know my feelings just get involved. You know what I'm saying? But if I keep it real and be like, hey, I just want to get to know you and just become friends with you, just it, then I don't have to worry about my feelings getting involved. You see what I'm saying? But if you want to get to know that person and you want to deal with them too, you know, feelings can get involved, you know. But at the end of the day, if the person is single, then you can go ahead on and make your move real quick. You see what I'm saying? You can go ahead and make your move real fast. But if that person ain't single, you shouldn't make no move like that. You should only just want to just get to know that person and just be their friend. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I wanted to say, guys. That's what I wanted to say. Now look at this. The shrimp. Look. I'm gonna be going to the bathroom after I get done eating this. I'm gonna have to literally drink some water for this. It's the tater tots for me. Look how good and juicy it is. Say what? Say what? Hold up. Hold up. Wait, get back with you. Ooh. Or you're like, Mommy, I want another piece of your chicken. Yeah, a small piece. Get back with you. Get back with you. Hey, get back with you. I don't know. But I do think women are very attractive and cute. But sometimes if you think a woman's cute, that don't mean that that person into girls. They might not be into girls. They might not be. I'm finna give Lucky some chicken because she gonna eat the chicken and fries. Look at curly fries, y'all. Look at it's the curly fries for real. Curly fries gonna have me going to the bathroom. I'll be like, yeah, I'm on the tallest stool and I'm doing the number 6. Oh god. Not the number 6 now. What do you want, Oreo? Huh? Come here and get it. Come over here and get it. Come over here and get it. Come over here and get it. Y'all see Oreo head? You right there. Huh? Get it? Come get it. Good boy. Oh. But y'all, that's it. Mama ain't finna give you all her chicken. Okay? There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. For the shrimp, y'all. Y'all. The curly fries is just got my stomach full. This food was $56. $56, y'all. $56. Oh. Okay. I think this is enough blue cheese. Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh. Well, that's it. That's it. I'm probably email another little titty. I said titty talk. Not the titty talk. Oh. I said titty talk. Potato talk. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I said that. Titty talk. Lord. I can be your stinky link, but look, whew, I'm getting full, y'all. I'm getting literally getting full, especially with these curly fries. Oh, you better get it, Oreo. I can be your stinky link. Stinky link. I'm gonna do a sneaky link story time video for y'all. I couldn't be your stinking one. Look at it. Look how good. Look how good the curly fries look. And I gotta get ready to get Lucky her some curly fries because she gonna want to eat all my curly fries. Hold up. Wait, get back with you. Oh, you're looking like, Mommy, I want some more. Okay, guys, if you like this video, love this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on all post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. Say what? Say what? Ho? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. We are on the road to 30K. Hey, we are on the road. Ha, ha. We are on the road. Ha, ha. We are on the road to 30K. Hey, and I'm out, y'all. Wait a minute. Come on, Oreo. Yeah, boy. And we out, Oreo. Say we out. Bye, guys.